So I'm using medium worsted yarn and 5mm crochet hook, and we'll start right away. We'll start with a slip knot. We'll start with a slip knot. And I'm going to chain 4. I'm going to make 2 double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. I'll chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same chain. And tighten. So the first triangle complete. I'm gonna chain 3 and I will turn 1 double crochet in the first stitch as chain 3, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. In the space I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And then I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in every stitch till the end. And 1 double crochet in the previous chain 3, like this. I'm going to repeat the same for every row. Chain 3, 1 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in every stitch till the chain 2 space. In the space 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And in the last chain I'm gonna make a double crochet. So every row is the same. You start with chain 3 and double crochet in every stitch. In the corner or chain 2 space is 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Again 1 double crochet in every stitch, and in the last chain 3 we'll make a double crochet just to keep the line straight this way. So this is how to make the solid granny triangle. I hope you like it and you find it easy to follow. Let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.